Welcome to clickmyproject.
It is our project title. Our project title name is Algorithm for Efficient Seating Plan for Centralized Exam System. It is our project abstract. Exam seat allocation is one of the major concerns in the quality of education. With the increasing the number of student, subject departments and rooms, exam seat management become complex. Maintaining the decent exam environment with the proper seating arrangement is one of the difficult job for authority. The searching the offer the solution of the exam seating arrangement problems that can be achieved through the sequential executions. Exam seat allocation is one of the major consideration of the quality of educations. The research often solutions of the exam seating arrangement is a problem that can be achieved through the sequential and execution of the three proposed algorithms. The research often the solution of preventing the some exam hall seating is then arranging seating for the large student of this. It is also find out the best combination of the room if the assignment the exam to organize perfect seating based on the room orientation and size. Number of the students and the differentiation of a subject. To do the research we have the collecting the data and the methods for the university. Those the begin used for the exam seating arrangement. By the using the university exam information we test our algorithms. It provided better seating plan that has been the manual system cloud used for the university. Every institution of the examination held as the particular individuals and intervals. Placing the students for the appearance in the exams is important for the procedure. If we manually allocate each student to the specified seat, it is then mammoth task. Institutions have various database and software designed to perform this task. Task provided by the such as the images and the short videos as user may upload this real-time images of the fire when we seen it. Besides decide was the what happened in the urban environment. It is the needed for the real world situation and location information and then student information. All of the information can be go through this seating arrangement. In this paper, this attribute that design the exam seating arrangement to the tool which automatically places the students in this respective seat according to the allocated the roll numbers. The students are seating serial wise or roll number wise is the numerical order. Each student has specific seat and allocated by the servers, and no two students for the same cursor and course structure can be seated next to each other. The project focus on the improving the efficiency of the seat allotment systems and tedious task of manual allocation systems or individual and the examination seat arrangement properly and defined upon the number of verification rooms and allocation rooms and vacation rooms on the seat capacity of the each rooms. The room are considered the multidimensional array which specified the number of the rows and the columns. The students are placed in the each seat to overbind the other according to the last digit of the enrollment number. The software can be generally used for every institution of the any kind of exams or sometimes even even management. It decreases our time and make this properly and systematic. It is our project flow diagram. In our flow diagrams, there are 5 modules are occurring in our process or involving in our process. The first module is a student login, and the second is admin login, and the third is splitting large arrangement and the setting allocation process, and finally the student viewing process. The first is student login. The student login is the process in our it is an authentication check process. If the students are registered for this, all of the information in our database. If the student can be verification process, the student registration process can be success. If the student goes to the login process. If the login process, the login can be checked the user are already existing or not. If the user are already registered, all of information can be stored into the database. If the validated user can be go to the next process. It is an admin process. The admin can be same procedure for the student. So the admin all of the details can be stored into a large number of database, and it can be verification process can be verification process can be correct in the students or admin process can be go to the another process. The admin can be handle monitoring the handle the of the student sitting arrangement process. The second is the sitting arrangement. The student admin can be arrange the sitting for the all of the process of the student. It can be allocate the seating arrangement for a one dimensional or two dimensional array formation. Setting allocation process. If the setting arrangement process can be completed, it can be measured. The admin can be measured the rows and number of the columns in our room. How many students are writing the exams and how many students or how many departments are involved in the process. It can be measured and calculate the student informations. And it can be arrange the setting arrangement for the some of the algorithm can be used for in this process. So the algorithm can be measure the how many rooms and rows and columns in our process, and redundancy can be acquired. It can be give the error message for this our process. At last, the student can be verifying this. Can be involved enter the roll number and the department. It can be gives the setting arrangement for the setting process. It is our project setting arrangement. If you run your project, click this home page and right click this run file. If your project can be loaded and it can be displayed it is our project home page. So click this image. It is our project main process, admin login and student login. If you click this your admin login, your admin name and the password can be filled in this field. So our admin name is admin and the password is admin. Admin name is password A caps DMIN and our password is admin ADMIN small letters, and click this submit. Admin login can be successfully. It is our controlling for the admin process for setting arrangement. It is an full and full control for the setting arrangement for the admin process. So admin can be it is our user can be admin this process, so our can be fill in this field. So data structure it is a exam subject, so control system 1, big data 2, and microprocess 2. It is an subject titles, and it is an allocation for setting arrangement for students. Okay, click this retrieve. It is total number of students 0 and number of students per hall 4. The student number is, if we use this 0 because the student is not registered for this field, so we can be allocate. So allocation process can be completed. It is our process main menu. It is a student process. So click this field. It is our project student login process. The student is already exist. Use the student name and the user number. Fill this field and click this login. It can be goes to the login process. If they not registration, to click this registration process. It is a student registration form. Name is it can be sample to demo. It is an user process. If a user want to fill any names and any roll number for this process, so roll number is 100 and register number is 100. College ID is in your college ID. I fill 91190. University number is your college university number. It is for exam titles. It is a data controller and control systems. I can be select the control systems. It is a nationality Indian, and it is our parent phone number. It is an address Chennai. Okay, click this registration, and the registration process can be completed, and this logo can be displayed in this URL process. So click this. It is in student name. Demo is in our student name, and our university number is 100. So click this login process can be success. Okay, it is student setting arrangement. The admin can be already allocate this for student is in this place and the setting arrangement. The student can be viewing this process. The student ID is 100 and the subject is control system. If you do not fill this process, you can be this seat process can be completed. It is your topic control system can be displayed, and it is on seat ID 6. It is your 6th place you can be placed in this process. So it is our student complete seat arrangement process can be completed in this field. Thank you.